Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow. Technical difficulties. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So today I showed you guys how I relax my edges, which is probably one of my most requested videos. In the summertime I started doing like more natural hair inspired videos, and people asked me like what edge control I used or how I got my edges to be so laid. I think it was my sleek low ponytail video, and I told y'all that I actually relaxed my edges. I immediately started getting a whole bunch of requests from you guys asking me to show y'all how I do it. So ever since then I actually shaved my edges, which is a long story that I'll tell another time, but so my edges were fully natural again. So I took this as an opportunity to show you guys how to do it on completely natural edges, and these are my results. Like, there's nothing wrong with having fully natural hair. It's just like, it's not impossible to have laid edges if your hair is natural and like 4C, but it's difficult because once you even find a good gel that works for you, it eventually, for me, it would stop working for me after a little while, or just take a lot of product and a lot of time to do my edges to look good. And even then I couldn't even swoop them. The most I could do was like pull them back a little bit. I wouldn't have been able to do all this when my edges were fully natural. It's just, if you use relaxer to your advantage, it's not so bad. So when I relaxed my edges, I didn't have braids in, which is really important, because if you try to relax your edges while you still have braids or something, it's gonna like get into your braids and it'll be difficult to watch it out. So I relaxed my edges the same day that I was doing my hair. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs it up and leave me a comment if you want to on like future video ideas or what y'all would like to see from me, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's 2019 now. I'm going to be consistent. I promise I'm gonna upload at least once a week. That's pretty much it, and let's get right into the video. Okay y'all, so I already sectioned out the part of my hair that I'm gonna put the perm in, and then I'm just showing y'all how I put a wig cap and then a scarf on top to protect the rest of my hair that we're not trying to perm. And so the relaxer I'm using is the Just For Me texture softener. Y'all know what this is, everybody knows what this is. And then I'm like cutting out a little piece of relaxer. It's like a tablespoon, and I'm just gonna add in the liquid activator as well as the oil and mix it all together. I'm just using this Africa's Best hair grease to grease the skin in front of my edges, because you know you're supposed to grease your hair before you apply a relaxer, just so your skin doesn't burn. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna you want the relaxer to be like a toothpaste consistency. You don't want it to be all runny. And I'm just using the little plastic ladle, the wooden ladle thing to like apply it on top of my hair, like you want the layer to be kind of thick, if that makes sense. So I actually did end up using all the relaxer. I had a lot left over, but you can just wash that away. And then I'm using a little fine tooth comb to like comb out my edges, because you know you're supposed to comb your hair when you relax it. And it doesn't have to be super smooth or super flat, because you're not trying to you're not trying to get it like really straight. You're more texturizing it than relaxing it. So yeah. So after you're done applying the relaxer, you just want to smooth it down and then wait 5 minutes and then wash it out.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so it's really important that you use a neutralizing shampoo to wash out your relaxer, because that's the only way you're gonna know if the relaxer is like all the way out. You're gonna keep washing it until the bubbles turn white. Like if the bubbles are still pink, there's still relaxer in there. But yeah, I just washed it out, and this is how my edges look. Like y'all saw how short and like nappy they were a couple minutes ago, and now they're all long and straight. But I'm just applying some oil to my edges because they've been through a lot. Like I said, you're not going for like a super straight relaxed look. This is like texturized, and you can already see my hair looks so much more manageable, and my hairline looks a lot fuller than if my hair had been fully natural. So I actually waited a couple of days to show you guys how I slicked down my edges. Like right after I relaxed it, I got braids, and then this is like 4 weeks later, and I just wanted to show you guys, like come back on here and show y'all that how long like the results last. Like you can still do your edges even though it's been like weeks since you got your little perm in. So yes, I'm just using this wet line gel. I hate this gel. This gel is so terrible. Y'all just go get you some Eco Styler. And I'm putting it on a toothbrush and I'm just gonna do my edges. So enjoy. So yeah, that's basically it. The results lasted me, well, they normally last me a couple months before I have to do it again. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry, I had to show y'all my edges one more time. Like, just, my natural edges could never. My natural edges could never.